Shelving, assembling product shelving. When a store is getting ready to open to the community, you need to have them products, and their products need to be stored. And that's what we'll be doing. Particular name in which this is considered identifying products per display. This location is going to be a fresh new location, just getting opened, and we are all over it. So we just gotta install, assemble these shelves, build the shelves, and then assemble, itemize, flex count these products. Inventory. Basically, inventory. And so, if you need to know what you want to purchase, best thing to do, a picture lasts longer than a word. So I know how much everything is and what I need. Don't have to call, don't have to ask.